We're back again. We're ready to do some grilled salmon. This is going to go with our orzo pasta later. So I've broken down my salmon into little steaks. I'm going to put our salmon steak in the middle of a sheet of foil. And we're going to take some of our chopped up peppers and carrots and throw them on top. Okay, also we're going to season this. Some salt and pepper. Little olive oil. Chisel that over the top. We're going to fold this up with a packet, and we're going to grill these in the packet until the fish flakes easily with a fork. Okay, so we're going to make a couple of these packets up. Alright, so we've melted a little bit of butter in our saute pan here, and we're going to just saute this little bit of garlic, and it's going to go in our orzo pasta. We're also grating some Parmesan cheese to put in that, a little bit of milk, and some fresh chopped herbs. So we're going to let this garlic slowly saute. Don't want it to get too brown, just let it get translucent. So this is only going to take a couple of minutes tops. And this will go in with our already cooked orzo pasta with the cheese and the milk and the fresh herbs. And that's all there is to that. And that's going to go with our grilled salmon packets that are on the grill right now. Alright, so we've got our cooked orzo pasta here. We've strained it, put it back into the pot. Now we're going to add in our garlic that we just sauteed and the leftover butter from the pan. Got a little bit of milk to stir in, as well as our grated Parmesan and some of our fresh chopped herbs. We're going to fold this together. Makes a nice creamy pasta. Alright, give it a nice stir like this, and that's all there is to that. It's ready to be plated.